Hello, this is Nancy from Shenzhen Selection Hardware, and we are the professional manufacturer for high-precision hardware parts. And our main business are CNC machining, die casting, precision casting, stamping, and sheet metal fabrication. And I'd like to show some of our samples to you. I'd like to show this one. You can see this part. This is a CNC machining part, and it's an e-cigarette shell. Its material is aluminum, and its surface finish is anodizing and sandblasting. And this kind of surface treatment can prolong its using life. You can see this color is so beautiful. And for this one, you can look at this one is a die casting part, and it's made by the die casting process technology, and its material is aluminum, and the surface treatment is painting, the black painting. And if you want to produce the die casting parts, you need to make the mold first. And the last one, this is a stamping part. It's made by the stamping processing technology, and it's a stamping part for the laser coffee machine. The material is stainless steel, and the surface treatment is polishing. You can see high precision and very beautiful. So we can customize and produce so many kinds of metal parts for you, and with so many kinds of surface treatment. And the material we usually can process including the aluminum alloy, zinc alloy, copper, brass, bronze, stainless steel, etc. So if you have any hardware items want to be customized or produced, please don't hesitate to contact us, and our professional sales team will give you a good service as soon as possible. And our factory will provide you with one-stop service from raw material, fabrication, finish treatment, assembling, packing, and shipping. We are looking forward to be a reliable hardware partner, and hope we can have a chance to do business together. Bye!